Okay, so for 11, we have actually quite a few answers that I need to find. Okay, we have A, B, C, and D, and E. So now, given the following exercise, finding the indicated functions given. Okay, so we have this as F is the functions, and then with G is the functions. Okay, for as if they give us 2 as the function of G and interputting it back into that problem, we're going to find out that G, equals the gx is going to equal 1 if once we put that 2 in the input. And then so putting the input of the 1 into the fx times 2, or excuse me, squared, we're going to go down to 3. Okay, 3 is our answer for A. And then B, we've got the equation there. And then so we're going to find out what G is first, and then that is the base of it. And so we know that, but we're just plugging basically that straight into this G of X right there, into the F of X. And then so what it's going to be is going to put that plug right back into this problem. And so we have 2 times the 3x of minus 5 squared plus 1. So that is actually as much as we can break it down right there. So that's your answer. Letter C, we've got the function of x times the G is going to be that function of those 2. So getting it first down to the G of X and plugging that in right into there. Okay. And so 3 times inside the 2x squared plus 1 minus 5, and then we've got the goes down to 6x squared plus 3 minus 5, so we have 6x squared minus 2 is our answer. Okay. Then coming to D, this is actually G of G and the functions. So we're just basically taking that same input right there, and we're going to put it into the same equation basically. So 3x of 5, we're going to times that times 3, and then minus 5. So we have 9x minus 15 minus 5, and then that equals down to 9x minus 20. Okay, then my E, took me a few times, but then I got it. So f of f. And that function that we're plugging in is negative 2. So we've got 2 with a negative 2 squared plus 1. So that is going to be 2 times 4 plus 1. And then that breaks it all the way down, and it's going to equal 9. So now we're going to use that input of 9 into the f function. So 2 with the x squared, but we're putting that 9 back in. So 9 squared plus 1. So we've got an 81 times 2 plus 1. And what that is 162 plus 1. And then 163 is our answer. Thank you.